Let's try it again. Today, we are here at Bushy Park. This guy. Oh, the mic stuck. I appreciate your hard work, sir. Two very amateur content creators interviewing possibly the biggest guest of this rally this year in the most anticipated vehicle possibly, Zane Maloney in his Porsche 992 Rally GT. I just went for a ride in it. I don't know how to feel about anything anymore. I need to go sit down and reflect on life.
I'm a little bit depressed, but you know.
He forgot to press record on the camera that he put on the car, but luckily I had my camera in the car, so we're good.
Yeah.
Interview went great. We're just gonna walk around and look at some rally cars and talk shit. So let's do that. Drove the Subaru here. It's alive still.
Barely.
So it's all the international cars that come here for service, or?
Yeah. Well, during the rally, all cars have to come for service, but the international cars live here.
Right. This is like their main garage.
Yeah, unless Actually, I can't think of an example whereby they aren't in the main garage. Because even Warswick, when he has his car here, his main garage is not a late machine shop.
Right. This is cool. I haven't seen one of these in a while. Do you know what it is?
Nope.
I believe it's Celica.
It gives Celica vibes.
Yeah, but like one of the first. Oh, it says Celica. 4-wheel drive. Must be a monster. Look at the size of it.
Yeah. Wow.
I see some new cars that we haven't seen last year. Hey, what's up, man?
Ah, look. Orange and black car.
Oh shit. Is that a GC? Kind of looks
GC?
like it. A GC.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, no way. No way. That's crazy. Damn. Is that?
What?
No, I saw Liz Jordan on it. I thought it was a female driver.
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so we're inside, surrounded by rally cars. Let's take a quick walk around. We've got Evo, Fiesta, BMW, Escort, another Fiesta. Is that
Oh.
another Fiesta?
Oh.
Another Escort. Another BMW. We've seen this one last year. This is quite something.
Any?
The Welsh Dragon.
Yeah, Swift. Wait, is it any? Yeah.
I need to talk to these people. Ooh. Debbie. Hey, shout out to Debbie for real.
Is it me or these rims are two different sizes? Something's off here. I don't know what it is, but something.
I think it's just the way it's standing, honestly. It does look a little off. This car looks familiar. I feel like this was here last time with a different livery. McKenna. Or maybe it's just another style that it looks like.
Yes. The treat one that was doing 3-wheel.
Yeah. It looks like the exact same one. I don't know if it is, but same wide body, lights, everything. 2 more Escorts. I feel like, what is it about the Escorts? Because I never really understood, probably because we've never been in one or driven one, but I hate to say it, to me they're kind of like boring, just because they're just 4-cylinder light car. Like I've seen it so many times.
Okay, think about the fact that this is a real drive car. It is light. It is gobs of power for the age it is.
That's true. I gotta see it from the perspective of when they came out.
Yeah.
And they have done extensive development on them since.
Yeah.
Because people spend hella money on Escorts. Like a proper built Escort is not cheap.
I mean,
I
look
think
at
Logan
Saul's
Watson just got one.
Look at Saul's Escort.
Saul has an Escort?
Blue one.
I didn't even know that.
That engine is like 10 grand alone, I think.
I did not know that.
Maybe not. Maybe more than that.
It's a cute little Peugeot here.
He bought it at the same time he bought the engines, the V8s.
Ah.
Same person. So that was all part of the package deal.
Evo, Fiesta. I love the way the 3-cylinder in this sounds. Some people hate it.
Which one?
This has similar engine to like the Yaris. I don't know if it's similar, but it certainly sounds the same. Correct me if I'm wrong. I like this wrap, but I don't like it at the same time. It's very well done. It makes the car look like the way it's supposed to, but you know, I guess it's part of the brand. Scrap it. Hey, shout out to Scrap It. I don't mean to roast your car or anything.
www.scrapit.
If you want to scrap things, go scrap it. When are they going to start paying us to shout out brands? Aerodynamics. Evo or Evo?
I'm gonna go with, I think I prefer the 789 style or compared to 456.
Yeah. Agreed. Look at this. Is this a Saab?
Yes, this is the thing.
Yeah, this is the one they were talking about.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Look at that. Wow. I've never seen a car like this. So apparently there's some historical tire where when Barbados first started rallying, there were cars like this.
Okay.
I think that's why they have the flag on the front. Maybe this was a legend back in the early days. What a unique design. Wow. It looks like fun to drive.
Sure.
The shape is interesting. It's kind of like slimmer at the front than the back. Sorry, slimmer at the back than the front.
And then there's this.
Is this guy's name Dick Major?
Oh, maybe that's what he brought us today.
Shout out to Dick Major. So this is a nice preview of what your car could look like.
It's still 5 speed as well.
Don't you want to get right in this? See what the platform is capable of.
I'd argue mine handles the same way. There's nothing extraordinary on this right now.
So what do you think separates this from yours? Just a roll cage and probably a better transmission?
No, the same transmission.
Really?
Yeah. Just roll cage and there's a big brick kit in the front. Big brick kit in the front.
Team Bling Bling. Okay.
Front mount intercooler, that's different.
Nice.
Brake, delete, master cylinder, delete. Traveling, that's tough.
What? What's tough?
Highlights had to get changed.
Oh. And another BMW. We've seen this one before. Those rims are clean. I don't want to look like that after the rally.
Oh,
Damn sure.
you never know.
Never? What do you mean you never know?
What's gonna make it not look like it?
Use common sense. Rocks. Dirt. Oh shit. Oh, they're part of the same team. Team Bling Bling.
So chances are,
So these might both be female drivers?
yeah.
That's pretty damn cool. That's pretty damn
Oh, I would have said this is Baby Spencer, but it's not.
It's interesting how they're
There's glitter.
oh, that is sick. That is sick. Nice. I mean,
There you go,
there's
wrap up.
good in the paint too. I didn't see that.
Yeah. I have a meeting.
Alright.
15 minutes.
Well, close out the vlog.
Oh, not bombshell.